'cause it's a simple matter. Yes, God can do it. Hey, no, 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 no. Oh, 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 baby, goes out easy. Hey, God can do it. It's easy. Nothing too hard. Nothing too hard for my God. He can do that too. Hey, hey, what he done for me, he can do for you. Hey, but don't tell me what God can do. It's easy. What he done for me, he can do for you. Hey, it's a simple matter, and God can do it. It's easy. He'll turn it around. Whatever you're going through tonight, God can do it. It's easy. So why would I doubt the God who always works it out? Even in the hard times, he will make it all right. He's the one who never fails, the one who never will. I know God can do it. It's easy. Hey, he'll turn it around. Yes, he will. And it's a simple matter. Well, you may be wondering, how do I know God will turn it around? Amen. I know God will turn it around. Amen. Because he's intentional like that. Do me a favor, turn to somebody and tell them my God is intentional. And it's working for my good. If you believe it, I need you to shout. Do me a favor, Dominica. Put your hands in the air one time. Put your hands up high. Put your hands up high. Yeah. Hey. I know that all things are working for my good. 'Cause he's intentional. He's never failed. I know that all things are working for my good. Yes, he is. 'Cause he's intentional. Only if you believe it. Shout it out loud. All things are working for my good. 'Cause he's intentional. Never failing. All things are working for my good. 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 It's working for me. Trust and believe. Watch the word, watch the word. Hey, watch the word, watch the word. Over here. I don't have to worry because he's working for me. He's working for me. And I believe it's working. In the back, let me hit you, baby. It's working. It's working for me. That is working for me. It's working for me. Now, 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 now. It's working for me. Yes, you've been doing it for a long time. Give him a trust now. It's working for me. It's working for me. I believe it's working. How you know, Trey? How you know, Trey? It's up. He's intentional. He's intentional. And we'll do me a favor real quick. Just wait, Dominica. Can we take it to the island? I thought we were on the island. Y'all do me a favor. From the front to the back. Everybody rock. Let's go. Yeah. I need to hear you. You sing along. Y'all not singing. Y'all not singing. Oh, bring it out, bring it out, bring it out. All the fellas, the fellas, the fellas. All the brothers, the brothers, the brothers. Just the men, just the men, just the brothers. You say, I don't have to work. Sing brother, I'll sing brother. All the men, I don't have to worry. It's working for me. Y'all sound good. All right, all right, all right. Now all the ladies, the ladies, the ladies. All the ladies, the ladies, the ladies. All the single ladies, all the married ladies, all the mamas, the mamas, the aunties. You too.
It's working for me.
All the ladies sing aloud.
It's working for me.
All the ladies sing aloud.
It's working for me.
Oh, now. All the ladies say.
I don't have to worry about it. It's working for me.
All the ladies sing aloud.
It's working for me.
All the ladies sing aloud.
It's working for me.
I'm gonna give it to y'all one more time. All the ladies sing.
I don't have to worry about it. It's working for me.
It's real good.
It's working for me.
Working for me.
It's working for me.
One more time. Sing I don't have to.
Worry about it. It's working for me.
Working for me.
It's working for me.
We're gonna do this a big choir. Everybody, all the ladies, all the men, everybody come. It's working for me. It's working for me. I don't have to. Hey, it's working for me. Last time make it count, say I don't have
to worry, 'cause
Hey.
it's working for me.
It's working for me.
It's working for me.